Buffaloes. We are back at it again with another one. Guess where we at? Guess what we about to go do at? You got it. I'm excited about it. Of course, I'm always excited. So, we'll have some fun. Enjoy the festivities. Look a little bit. They won't get back down home safely. So, I just gotta come, man. Come on, man. We got another, just get on the road now, so we have about 2 hours.
In the truck.
Congratulations. Definitely just hit the bell. So proud of you.
So with that repair function, it does something weird, but like an extra bit of power that slams back every bring the cell back, and it'll actually.
And left you right.
I had a guy come in the other day, and he's like, I got this, and it won't work. Your battery starts, blah blah blah. I'm like, using this charger, you know. I'm like, well, bring it in, and if my charger works.
So we are finally leaving the Harley dealership. So my nephew then dropped on us. He went Harley. So I'm very excited for him. I'm very proud of him for doing that. Plus he deserves it. So we better go ahead and get some grocery, man, before we finish up our day. I want to say day, before we finish up tonight, our ride. And then we're gonna go ahead and make it a Daytona. By the time we get on the road, it shouldn't be that much traffic, so we should be good to go.
Yeah, I already know for you, I'd love it.
I'm like, shit, let me choose up look good.
What's up? What's up? So we finally made it. Let's see what it's looking like inside.
They got cameras.
Yeah, but we got no access to the garage.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't even know if you got access to the garage. I don't even understand it. Like,
30 seconds for takes, like,
no, this is room right there. That's a room over there. It said no access. They say no access over there? No, it don't. That doesn't say no access, bro. Don't say no access.
Yeah, no access area.
So you got 3 over there? No, just 2. You got a double, 2. Oh, you got 2 twin beds and 1 in the regular bed.
Well, how the hell to sleep?
Drainage B could get that room right there.
Yeah, D, if you don't mind, I like sitting close to the wall.
God dang, boy. Ain't no joke. Yeah. I thought they at least had
Is it least soft? Okay, I can.
That's where we at.
You don't see him in there? Like with wires behind the garage door?
We here. We are here. We at the Army Beach, Harley Davidson with J&P Cycles. This is just a little snippet. Had to give me a whole new tire, man, for the front. So they ain't gonna stop the party. We're gonna keep it going. What they got to offer? That's what I like, man. They doing riding that thing. Big bike. Big bike. crazy.
Okay. What do we got? $4,000! Woo! Y'all, it's the weekend. It is Miketoberfest, and y'all, we are making a difference. Thank you so much. 4,000 right here. I'm shaking. All right. 4,100 right here. $4,100. We got a bid more going on. $4,100 right here. Can we go up from there to 4,200 maybe? $4,200. We got 4,100 over here. $4,200. Going once. Going twice. $4,100. Who is the bidder right here? He doesn't like to jump up and down. I'm live here at the Iron Horse, y'all. Thank you guys so much for what y'all do for our community. I can't thank you enough, and thank you for our veterans for keeping us safe and free.
Fucking the check up and get it right back, cause I'm one of the ones. Cause I been sitting back and plan on my young nigga turn up. I'm a PJ today, if I want it, I get it, you know what I want. Guys, get there forever.
It's that early still. For the soul?
That's why I think we probably don't hit that. We gotta go out about tomorrow. And then we gotta get a little breakfast spot over there.
Yeah, I'm fried. I just blew it a check and strip club on Wednesday. I don't care if she ain't gonna ask her what her friends say. I think she sick of friends. Yeah, I'm fried. Yeah, I'm fried. I fuck